So today I've got with me the new Bushnell Engage DX. These are 12 by 50. You've been using these for a couple of months now. What do you find of these?
Yeah, well, first out, you've got the 12 times magnification on them, so you can get really close into whatever you're looking at. Most people generally use like 10 by 42s, being the 12 by 50s. They're that slightly larger package, but they're only a couple of ounces heavier. So when you pick them up, they're really well balanced, and they don't actually feel that heavy. With the 12 times mag, you can use them for a bit of target shooting, be able to see spotting discs and things like that. But also, if you're looking at deer, you can get that really extra bit of detail. See, I was using them just the other week to look at some roebucks that had really small little bits of antler on them, just trying to really identify what they are. So that 12 times mag in that situation really came in handy.
How have you found the weather sealing on these?
Yeah, they're super robust. I've had them out in all sorts of horrible conditions. So they come with an IPX7 waterproof rating, so it can actually be submerged underwater for 30 minutes. So they are really, really robust in terms of rain and water moisture, because you don't want them fogging up. They can stand up to a lot of abuse.
So what accessories come with these as well?
It comes with a strap, a case, you've got the objective lens covers, as you can see here. Just basically everything you'd expect from a top quality binocular package.
And what's the pricing on these?
This is the 12 by 50 model, so these retail for just over £300 in the UK. And the 10 by 42 model, which is probably a bit more popular, comes in at around £275.